औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू. Class 6th subject English. Topic is why do all the teachers go? Why do all the teachers go? This is poem written by Peter Dickson. New words. Pick their noses means cleaning their noses by removing mucus with their fingers. Pick their noses, cleaning their noses by removing mucus with their fingers. Spell. To write the spellings of a word. To write the spelling of a word. Pinched means stole. Flakes, small thin pieces of something. Greens, cooked vegetables like spinach or cabbage. Hymn books, books of hymns or holy songs. Scribble, write something in a dirty handwriting. Put it in a poem, write in a form of a poem. Write in a form of a poem. Now, summary of this poem. Where do all the teachers go? Let's begin. For a little child, a teacher is special. It is difficult for a small child to think of his or her teacher as an ordinary person. A child thinks that his teacher is special. He doesn't think him to be an ordinary person. He wants to know why the teachers go after the school is over at 4 o'clock. He wonders if the teachers live in ordinary houses and wash their own clothes. He is keen to know if the teachers wear pajamas and watch television. He wonders if the teachers also pick their nose just as little children do. He wishes to know if they live with their families and if they have their mothers and fathers. He is keen to know if they ever had been bad children. He is anxious to know if they ever made mistakes in spellings or were punished for making mischiefs or for stealing. He fails to understand if they ever lost their songbooks. He is unable to understand if they had ever made meaningless marks on their desks or wrote dirty cloths. He decides to follow one of the teachers while he goes back home to find out what they do. Then he would put it in a poem for them to read to their students.